Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you. Wanted to get a good cooking video out this past weekend. Unfortunately, I just did not have the time. We had close friends of ours that got married, and it was just like a 3-day thing going, and I had a wonderful time with them. I tried to do a little bit of video, but it just, man, everything just kept, just coming up and all that stuff. What I want to talk to you about here tonight is something I did get accomplished this week. Is my garage has been so hot. It's been just unbearable to be out there, even in the evening time. I've got 2 refrigerators and an ice maker out there. Had my ice maker go out, refrigerators, just struggling over this extremely hot summer. It'd be like 80 degrees outside. My garage door would probably heat up to like 112. So I've done a few things that I want to show y'all to help the garage out, really cool things down and make it a very comfortable environment out there. Just wanted to show you. Foremost, what this video is going to be about is the major step. This is my NewAir 14,000 BTU portable AC and heating unit. I've got it vented right up over into the attic, right here in my garage. Show you how it works. Go ahead and pop it on right here. Okay, you can have it set on high, medium, or low, however you want to, and cool. All right, so I've got it set on like cool right now, 60 degrees, high fan. I love some really nice cool air here. Again, vents that hot air back on up into the attic and on up into my vent up there. And I've got it'll do heat, it'll do cool, it'll do fan, and also dry, so dehumidifier as well. Wonderful stuff, options here. Again, a high, medium, low on the fan. It captures the water in a reservoir on the bottom. I've just hooked it up yesterday. I ran it last night and everything. I haven't had to empty that yet. I'm probably gonna get me a little drain hose and put it in that so you can drain it off to get a drain down over yonder or something like that. But anyway, this right here, I mean, I have my garage is so cool when I came in this morning. It's almost 67 degrees in the garage, and it's just been steaming outside. But yeah, this NewAir, I'll put links to it and everything like that. 14,000 BTU portable AC and heater.